So today I'm gonna make some watermelon jam. I have some watermelon left over from the other day and I just don't want it to go to waste, so I'm gonna do this recipe. I can always put it onto some toast and pancakes, especially for my little guy. He likes that type of stuff and he likes spreads, so it'll be nice to have him something. Make him something that's fresh from this summer's produce and even save it for a few months from now. What you need is 2 cups of pureed watermelon, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 3 teaspoons of fruit pectin, which is just like I think 1 packet. So we're gonna start out with just cutting out 2 cups worth of chunks. Okay, so we're gonna just finish spooning this watermelon into here, and after I blend it, I'm gonna measure it to make sure that it's 2 cups. Okay, we're about to blend it. Okay, I think it's blended enough. And now I just want to measure it to see if this is 2 cups. I'm going to add the lemon juice in here. I'm going to blend it again. I wish this cup had a measuring thing, but it doesn't. So we are going to just measure it the old-fashioned way. Okay. I guess little man is afraid of the blender this time. So we're going to go measure this and put it into the pot. We have a pot right here ready to start mixing the sugar and this watermelon mixture together. So I got my cup right here. We're going to measure out 2 cups. So we got 1. Maybe it'll be just enough. Oh man. Okay, I was a little short for my 2nd cup, so I'm gonna just quickly blend some more to bring it up to the 2 cup. Okay, so I got a little bit more and we're gonna go blend that up. Okay, that should definitely even it out. Okay. Look at this. Okay, here's our 2nd cup. Now we will add the 2 cups of sugar and bring it to a boil. And when it starts really boiling, then we reduce it to a simmer, and that's the point when we add our pectin. Okay, so we need 2 cups of sugar. We're also going to turn the heat on now on high. We're going to add the sugar. And we just need 1 more cup. Okay, we got our 2nd cup. I'm going to add that in there. And just let it come to a boil. Okay, the sugar is in, lemon juice is in, 2 cups of watermelon. And now we're just waiting for it to boil before we add the fruit pectin. Once you add the fruit pectin in, you need to stir it pretty quickly so that it doesn't dissolve with clumps. Make sure it dissolves nice and even. And then we're just going to bring it back up to a boil. We've had to put this little guy into the stroller in the kitchen because he's really not letting me get in. This next part is going to be 20 minutes of intensive stirring, and I have to actually pay attention, so hopefully we can all keep it together, or maybe he'll take a little nap in the stroller while we're at it. Ain't that right? Rocking the shirt your auntie gave you, huh? Say thank you, Auntie Faith. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What? Oh, say thank you. Also, be very careful. This already overboiled on me. So just watch it carefully and reduce it till it's just simmering. Take it off the burner if you need to. I'm just gonna wait for it to come down a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the fruit pectin. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit more until it's just barely, just simmering. And then we're gonna add the fruit pectin and stir it like crazy. Okay. I'm gonna add in the fruit pectin. And then we're gonna stir, stir, stir. I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. Working with what I got here. So stir, stir, stir. Add the last bit and stir, stir, stir. Now you're going to want to put the heat back up so it's boiling instead of just simmering, and then stir at least once every minute for 20 minutes. Now that the pectin is added, we raise the heat till it boils again. And then we reduce the heat back to a simmer and just stir it for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the heat. I'm taking it off the burner so it doesn't overboil, because I don't want to clean up that mess. And we're going to put the timer for 20 minutes. And just stand here and stir. And hopefully the little man will behave himself. Is he gonna behave? Say yeah. Are you gonna behave? This is what it looks like, only about 2 minutes into simmering. This is minute 8. It's starting to look thicker to me. Definitely less in the pot now. So this is minute 14. We got 6 more minutes left before we put them into these jars so they can cool in the refrigerator. I've had to reduce the heat a little bit because when it simmers up, it's starting to bubble up higher. So I just reduce the heat a little bit and stir it. See how it's coming up. So just watch it. You're gonna have to really watch it for 20 minutes. And in the meantime, we got this little man. I have to push him in the stroller because he's getting sleepy and cries if I stop. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna take it off the heat and We're gonna pour it into these jars and let them sit in the refrigerator to cool. And they'll set in there. So it's still pretty liquidy right now, but they'll firm up in the refrigerator. Okay, here we go. I have no idea how many jars I'll need. I'll know by the end of this. Okay. That's 2. Looks like maybe about... Looks like it's enough for 3 little jars. So you can always double everything and make a little bit more. And these are just the little jars. They're not that big. These are 8-ounce jars. So this made 24 ounces of watermelon jam. And this little guy fell asleep like that. Now I'm just gonna put the jars on. Careful, the bottles are hot. And then we're gonna place them in the refrigerator. So I put the jam in the refrigerator, and once it cools completely, however long that'll take, it will be ready to use. You can can it as well to make it last longer, but just like this, it should last about a month. So here we are, just maybe 2 hours later, and it's set. And it's actually, I already had a little taste test. It's pretty good. I mean, it's spreadable. You know, it's good. It tastes good. It tastes just like watermelon jam. I mean, that is what it is. So that's what I made. Does it taste good? Is it good? Do you like it? Is it nummies? Is it nummies? Is it good?